Very temperamental this morning.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Very.
Not happy, is she?
No. Hey, we're back with another episode. Dave's in the back, just doing something. Let me get out of the sun a little bit. There we go. There's Dave. He's back from England.
With tools.
And we're working on the car again today.
Yep.
And today we've decided, last episode we said, we'll change the clutch down the line.
Yeah.
And the line is the next episode.
Yep.
So we have
clutch.
We have clutch. We're gonna drop it today. We're gonna put this new one in hopefully and have that done.
Yep.
In a single day is our hope.
Yep. We already started a little. We got the electricals off and a few of the accessories. Been down to the tool store to get some sockets to remove the wheels.
And it's been pretty smooth sailing so far.
Yeah, no frozen bolts yet. We haven't dropped anything into the dark recesses of the engine compartment.
And you'll just see us working on it, and if anything of drama pops up, maybe we'll talk when we drop it after.
Yeah.
When we break for lunch, hopefully.
We'll break for lunch and show you what the inside of the clutch looks like.
Yeah, but for now we're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
So, all right, late. Alright, so Dave's under there, taking off one of the skid plates.
Plastic skid plates.
Our hardest part so far has been just taking out this CV joint axle. Getting this joint out of the transmission was a bitch.
That's what mallets are for. Alrighty.
The Haynes guide said, what, crowbar?
Something like that, yeah.
We just needed to use the right crowbar. Right now we're actually cracking the bolts on the transmission, so we're getting pretty close to dropping it, but we're gonna probably go to lunch first, re-energize a bit.
Yeah,
it's going pretty good.
Yeah, 14.
14? Was this 14? Was this? No, this was 17. 15.
Dankeschön.
Yeah, when we got that joint out, all that fluid, stinky ass fucking fluid came flying out.
Righty tighty, lefty.
It's like, what are my directions? I mean, for a little car, it does have a bit of room to work in, though.
There's one behind the support bar, so that definitely has to go. Or is it coming through from that side? Yeah, we've got one behind the support bar, I think. That's not a big deal. On the back of the transmission, what we got? We got one there. I think one. I guess that one there. No, that's just there. There's one there and one there. I think I might have more. There's just one. It's going to be a yacht.
Which where is that? Is there one in here?
I can't remember now. I saw it and I'm like, I think it's on the back. Yes, it's next to the. There it is. That's it. Probably a 14. Just don't need an extension for it.
So the video stopped recording, but the transmission has been dropped. You can see it right there. Now we replace more farts from Dave.
Cool.
So I'm just going to do a quick update. We have video. We dropped the transmission. Replacing everything was going fine. Putting things back together. And then we snapped a bolt in the flywheel, over torquing one of the bolts. Dave attempted to fix the flywheel. But we ended up buying a new one. That's where we're at. So now Dave is getting beverages, and we're gonna button this transmission up, hopefully, with no mistakes this time. Hopefully, we're gonna practice.
No snapped bolts.
we're gonna practice. Let's just drink some moonshine.
No, we didn't have to, but maybe we
So we're gonna practice on the old flywheel Make sure the torque wrench is working properly this time.
Yep.
And then just put it back together.
Okay, let's rock this.
So, bye. All right. So it's been a couple days. We had to separate for a while and come back. But you don't know that. We didn't have to tell you that, but we're telling you that because we're good guys. So we're gonna start it. Everything's back together.
Yep.
There's a few little things.
Brand new battery, because I took the old one out, took it down the auto parts store, they tested it, no good.
No good.
So.
But yeah, we did it, Dave. We
yeah.
Actually,
broke a vacuum line. It's kind of a plasticky thing. We're gonna have to
down here somewhere.
Yeah. Just cut into one and do something, but it should start.
But yeah, so we're gonna see if we actually are successful.
Yep.
All right, Dave.
Well,
You started. All right.
Well, it beeps. That's all.
Oh, right up. Look at that. Oh, is it in gear? Look at. Oh. It's kind of awesome though that we did this.
Yeah.
I mean, if you ultimately
I feel like we need to adjust the clutch pedal a little just to do it, but why is it really... Oh, my stupid hands.
Yeah, my hands are a little warm too.
Yeah, I was like, why is the steering wheel so hot? And I'm like, no, that's my hands.
They are warm. It's weird. We've been cleaning all Dave's tools.
Yeah, because that engine oil rubbish that's under there is like caked.
But yeah, we did it.
We did it. We did a clutch.
I think it's got to be way more difficult to drop a front wheel drive transmission.
Yeah.
There's so much more stuff attached to it. I don't know.
Anyway, we
Successfully.
we've done it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll just need to tie the battery, get the battery in place. We've forgot to put the
Splash.
acid
Protection.
splash thing on. Got to fix that little wire.
And we do actually have to do the transmission
Yeah, we've got to do the transmission fluid.
so
We just haven't
done that yet.
Yeah,
But it does work.
Yeah.
So we were successful.
Yes.
That was the biggest thing we had to do for this car.
Yeah. Now it's got. Maybe the biggest problem this car has is that front suspension that's a little low.
We got some time to figure that out.
Yeah. Not the end of the world.
We'll see what we're gonna do with this. It's cool. You got it on. All right. Well, that's the end of this video. Hopefully, I'll have this out sometime soon, and everyone can say, "Wow, you guys are good." Bye. So here's a new one where I took the car for a spin and I'm pushing it back to Dave's house. Oh boy. That sucks. So we took it for a round the block, a ride, and then it just dies. And then we couldn't get it started again. Whoa. And so I had to push it around the rest of the way. Oh, here we come. All right.